Drive with me to Sydney as I head to Mount Panorama Bathurst with the QLD Excels. It's an early Friday morning, but the drivers are ready for their practice sessions. We're here before qualifying for the QLD Excels. It is very early in the morning, but we're very excited for the day. We have one qualifying session and 2 races today. We have just finished qualifying with the QLD Excels, and we are waiting on news whether or not it will be declared a non-event due to multiple red flags throughout the event. In that case, it will go on the practice qualifying times. I'm here with Jackson Faulkner at the end of race 1.
It's always great to race here. It's just an amazing place.
Now, Tyler, it's been a very hectic kind of day, but you have made up quite a few places. What are you happy about for this weekend so far that you've achieved? Hi, I'm here with Brett Parrish ahead of race 2 with the QLD Excels.
Well, I just want to keep putting in some good results and doing the best I can. I think we make the most of what we've got, so we're just going to here to enjoy it.
And race 2 is underway. And that is the end for race 2 and the final race for today here at Mount Panorama for the Bathurst 6 hour with the QLD Excels. We did have 2 yellow flags during this race. Both drivers are okay. Time for our 3rd and final day here at Mount Panorama Bathurst. We have one more race with the QLD Excels.
My favourite track is now Bathurst, thanks to Dean Senos, #1 driver.
Phillip Island.
Bathurst.
Morgan Park.
Bathurst.
It's a tie between Phillip Island and this place.
Silverstone.
Definitely Bathurst.
Yeah, I'd say Bathurst.
And just like that, it's over.
Queensland vlog? Yeah. Hey, just want to say to Series X3 Queensland, we love you so much. Your drivers are too good though. Just want to let you know. Thank you.